So this is Ariana's job every day to clean out the pool. We just took the tarp off of it. It has been raining for like 2 weeks. I have not been in it. We just got the filter cleaned out. I got the chlorine in. And there is... Where you at, Truly? I don't see you. Say wave. Truly Bear. So this is our project for today. It says it's probably going to be like a 94, 97 today. And this is the third day that the girls are here. So they really want to get in the pool. So we're getting the yard together. And like I said, because I've been in the house for like 2 weeks, haven't been really able to come out and do anything. So we appreciate you watching. You'll probably be in fast mode for some of the stuff. Hey y'all, so in my outdoor series, I am still working on it. We're taking a break right now. The girls are laying down, of course, on the blanket. I'll show you them say hi. But yesterday we went to Aldi's and we found these flamingos and they were $10.99. So I'm hoping that you're able to get to your Aldi's. They had cranes and one more animal. So I thought these would be a great decorative, garden statue to put in the back of my yard. All right, we just got done putting them together. And the girls are just taking them over there so we can see the comparison of the other one that we got. So nice size. The big pink one with the little pearls on it, that is from Hobby Lobby. I paid about $25 and some change for that. And then you have the two kind of burgundy and yellow ones, and they were $10.99 at Aldi. Okay y'all, so this is what it actually looked like. I don't know if I had got previous recording of it, and I wanted to show you real quick before I lay down all the mulch. Here are my lovely helpers this morning.
Hi.
They removed all them she shells. That was a lot that was out here. And you guys are going to see coming up in my outdoor refresh that they are going to pick a piece of the property and they're going to put their she shells down and paint them. All right, y'all, I'll be back.